Okay, so the objective of annotating and close reading To Kill a Mockingbird is to see, one, how the characters are developed throughout the book, and two, to identify any themes and symbolism and how they are developed throughout the book. So what you need to do is you're going to put post-its where you see a major character trait or a major theme or symbolism is written. So you'll put a C for character, then talk about, add a word for which character, T or TH for theme, add a word or two that describes the theme, and then 3S for symbolism. You can also have P for plot. But those are the main three things that you're looking at. It needs to be able to stick out so that you can quickly see the C or the T or the S or the P. And then you're going to annotate in the book. So for example, every night you're going to read a few pages and underline only the important things that pertain to the who, what, why, when, and where. Make sure that it's important to understanding the story, the characters, or the theme. And then you're going to choose one underlining main idea to annotate if you are in challenge, or two to annotate. So I suggest as you read, just put a little asterisk next to which one you're underlining so that you know to go back to it later to annotate. All right, so for example, it talks about here about being self-conscious, about his injury, his left arm, and it goes into great detail on how his arm was um, hurt and later had deformed. So I know that Jem here, using description and imagery, some people say cause and effect, but I use the text structure description and the literary device imagery. Is talking about Jem, and I can say he's very self-confident since he doesn't let it bother him. Down here, we talk about General Jackson, Andrew Jackson. Oh, I have a syntactical device there, but it's also allusion. So I can say the text structure is cause and effect because he went up the creek. Simon Finch landed in Alabama. General Jackson, Andrew Jackson, who was our president and fought not in the Civil War but in against the British. The fight, it wasn't against slavery, sorry. It was against the British rule. It is an illusion, so they're still fighting for injustices. So you're looking at text structure, devices, both syntactical and literary, to come up with your annotations.